Welcome to the final video in our ADK-TS series. I'm Timowa from IQAI, and over the past 7 videos, we have journeyed from simple one-line agents to complex multi-agent systems and automated workflows. We have explored tools, MCP integrations, core architecture, state management, and workflow patterns. Today, I'm sharing with you some of the best practices and tips that will help you build production-ready AI agents. These are lessons learned from real-world deployments that will save you time and headaches. The golden rule of ADK-TS is to start simple and scale smart. Begin with the most absolute basics, a simple agent builder with just a model and ask method. Get it working, understand the flow, then gradually add complexity. Add tools when you need them and add sub-agents when conversations get complex. Add workflows when you need automation. Don't over-engineer from the start. It's much easier to add features to a working simple system than to debug a complex system that never worked. This approach also helps you to understand what you actually need versus what you think you might need. Remember, the best architecture is the simplest one that solves your problem. A good project structure makes development and maintenance much easier. Here's our recommended approach. Organize your agents in a clear hierarchy where each agent gets its own folder containing the agent's definition and its specific tools. The sub-agents live in a sub-agents folder under its parent, and the complex tools have their own subfolders. This structure gives you a clean separation of concerns where each agent is self-contained. It's easier to test individual agents in isolation, and this architecture scales naturally as you add more agents, making it clear immediately how your agents relate to each other. For example, your billing agent and its tools can stay together. When you need to debug billing issues, everything is in one place. When you add a new specialist, you simply add a new folder. Well-designed tools make the difference between fragile and robust agents. Here are the key principles. First, maintain single responsibility. Each tool should do only one thing and do it well. A weather tool gets the weather, not weather and news. Second, provide clear description. The description is how the AI understands when to use your tool, so be specific about what it does and when it's appropriate. Third, always handle errors gracefully. Return structured responses that indicate success or failure and never let a tool crash your entire agent. This code shows a weather tool that follows this principle. Focus purpose, clear description, and proper error handling that returns a structured response whether it succeeds or fails. Throughout this series, we have covered different architectural patterns. Here is your decision guide. Use a single agent for simple tasks in one domain, like a FAQ bot or calculator. Use multi-agent systems for conversational AI that need specialists, like customer support with billing and technical experts. Use sequential workflows for step-by-step processing, like content pipelines or data transformation. Use parallel workflows when you need multiple perspectives simultaneously, like document reviews. Use loop workflows for iterative refinement, like code generation that tests and improves. Pro tip: these patterns compose. That means you can have a multi-agent system when one specialist runs a sequential workflow and the other runs a parallel workflow. So start simple with one pattern, then combine as your need grows. Here are some other quick production tips that can make a real difference. For performance, choose the appropriate models. Don't use GPT-4 for simple tasks when you can save money and reduce latency with faster models. For reliability, always set timeout limits. Implement retry logic for short failures and log errors for debugging. For security, never hard code API keys. Use environment variables. Validate all your user inputs before processing and implement rate limiting to prevent abuse. For scaling, use database sections in production and not in memory. Clean up old sessions periodically and monitor resource usage. These aren't exciting, but they are the difference between a demo and a production system. Your ADK-TS journey is just beginning. Here are your next steps. First, you can visit our GitHub repo and try the examples. There is no better way to learn than hands-on practice. Second, you can build your first real agent. You can start with something simple for your own use case. Third, join our Discord community and share what you build, ask questions, and learn from others. Fourth, you can also contribute to ADK-TS. Found a bug, submit an issue, build something cool, share it. Have an idea, let us know. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to start building. Thank you for joining me on this ADK-TS series. We have covered everything from the basic concepts to the production practices. You now have the knowledge to build intelligent, scalable AI agents with TypeScript. All the resources are in the description below, and if this series helped you, please share it with others who might benefit from it. Now go build something amazing with ADK-TS, and I can't wait to see what you create. Happy building!